In this video, I show you how to fix Samsung camera not working black screen problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps, scroll down, then search for camera app, tap on camera, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permission, allow location permission. Now tap on three dot, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open camera app. Now I hope that this method fix Samsung camera not working black screen problem.